My name's Lorna. I was under the care of the health service in the UK for many years because of heart condition and a leaky heart valve. And it got to the point where the doctors had said a few years back that I needed to have my heart valve replaced quite soon, but I wasn't able to have it done in the UK. So I needed to search for healthcare here, which is quite a mission to find a doctor that you can trust. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know where was obviously covered by my health insurance. So what I did was put a post out on social media asking for recommendations for people that had had cardiology experience within the UAE. And there was one cardio nurse that had worked with Dr Albert at the hospital here. And she suggested that I go to him, which I did. And when I met Dr Albert, I was very relieved to meet him and felt that he was very understanding of my story and my medical history. I had been to another doctor before, Dr Albert, and the doctor had sent me away saying that it wasn't a serious condition, and I was very confused and tearful, having been told by the UK doctor that this was quite imminent. So having found Dr Albert, I was really relieved. He supported me, he sent me for many tests, and then referred me on to Dr Rafik, who continued with the tests. So on Tuesday this week, I finally had my 2 heart valve replacement and repairs. And I could say it's a huge experience when you're going down to the operating theatre. I was tearful because suddenly you realise what a big operation you're going in for. And then waking up in ICU, and the 2 days that followed in ICU, as a patient, you're very vulnerable and you're in a lot of pain. But the staff have been beyond amazing. I had someone by my side all the time holding my hand. I felt loved, I felt cared for, I felt supported, despite all the trauma and the response that my body was naturally going through. So after 3 days, I think it was in the end on ICU 2.5 days, I transferred to the normal ward to get that bit more independence and to continue with my rehab. Dr Rafik has been like a father. He has looked after me so well. He has let me contact my family on his phone when I had no way of contacting them in the UK, because it's not just about the medical procedure, it's about the emotions and family elsewhere waiting for news. So I am indebted to the hospital for everything they've done, and I can't thank them enough, and I will be recommending them in the future for anyone with a similar condition.